Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In this video, we're going to learn a unique form of QiGong meditation, Tang. Not only can it help you with improving quality of sleep, but also it will improve your immune system, relieve inflammation, and offer amazing health benefits to many chronic health conditions. Now, let's get started. Tang is a variation of a widely practiced QiGong meditation, zhan, often referred as standing like a tree meditation. Zhan means standing, zhuang means post. But zhan can be practiced sitting or laying down. If you have never heard of zhan, I have a video. I will attach a link at the end of this one. The supine form of this meditation can be practiced any time of the day. Perhaps you are recovering from an injury, or maybe just too tired to hold the standing posture. And there might be times after a long day, even seated practice may be too much. Then Tang is perfect. Tang is amazing in helping with insomnia. Tang means laying down. You can either use a very low pillow or a roll-up towel, like a small towel like this, to support your neck. Or I use my blue dot pillow, which the unique design of it gives me a very nice support, allow the neck to be neutral while I'm laying down, and also for my neck pain relief. Lay down and make yourself comfortable. Now we're going to add the postures. This is where Tang or zhan differs from the usual meditation, and why it offers additional health benefits. When holding the arms over the chest, whether you are standing, sitting, or laying down, you are stimulating 6 meridians that either starts or ends at the tip of the fingers, connecting the chest through the arms to the head, that smooths the flow of qi through the heart and the lungs, improving cardiopulmonary functions, boosting the immune system. While the muscles in your arms are working hard, the brain gets to relax. As you deepen your practice, the inhibition in the cerebral cortex is further enhanced. It relaxes the brain, reducing anxiety. You can bend your knees at a comfortable angle. Ankle flex, toes point up. The knees are going out slightly. Now adding the arm position. The elbows are elevated 5 to 10 centimeters away from the bed. Palms are facing each other. Fingers are open but curved slightly. How much to curve your fingers? Hold your palms over your head. Remember how much fingers are bent. That is about how much you want to curve the fingers. Hold the palms facing each other as if you're holding a ball. Also, you want to make sure you're not bending your wrists at a sharp angle. So no sharp angle when we practice QiGong. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Shoulders and elbows are relaxed, but the hands are alert. Spread fingers open. Hold slight tension in the fingers, but the wrists are comfortable. If the arms get tired, you can kind of like curl your fingers in slightly, very subtle movements, or lower the elbows slightly down, making subtle adjustments. Once you become comfortable, place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Wear a slight smile. Breathe slowly and naturally in and out through your nostrils. Begin to count your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow and steady. For beginners, you might need to count to a few hundreds until you can fall asleep. But usually after 1 week of practice, you will need to count much less. And eventually you don't need to count anymore. If you're practicing Tang Zhuang before bed to help you sleep, in the very beginning, I would recommend you have a very dim light, maybe a candle light in the room. For people who might have sclerosis or shoulder issues, after a few minutes, you might find your arms are no longer balanced. One hand get higher or lower, or arms move away from the center line unevenly. So it is a good idea to check the position of your arm and hands from time to time and make necessary adjustments. Zhan Zhuang or Tang Zhuang is an internal training for the mind and an endurance exercise for the body. But only when the body parts are perfectly centered and balanced, then you can endure. If you happen to have arthritis on your wrists or your fingers, sometimes you might feel sharp pain or dull pain. Know that it is the process of healing as qi is trying to clear through the blockages. So feel free to make subtle adjustments in your wrists and or your fingers. But when the feet get tired, release the toes down so feet are flat on the bed. Have the elbows hovering over your bed. Turn the palms facing your feet. If you're new to the practice, you might even lower the arms and the legs completely. Take a 10 to 20 seconds break, then get back to holding the posture and counting your breath. After you become very sleepy, you might simply lower the legs down, arms down, and go to sleep. For people who have years of practice, sometimes maybe only take 3 minutes for them to fall asleep. Since I started practicing Tang Zhuang, the amount of time that takes me to fall asleep is much shorter now. Tang Zhuang is a very effective sleeping aid. If you wake up in the middle of the night, try to hold the postures again. If it is your daytime practice, you can do anywhere from 5 minutes to 40 minutes. After you finish the practice, don't rush to get up right away. Here is how you end the practice. Interlace the fingers, rub the palms, and gently massage your face. Massage your ears. Cup your head. Maybe massage the arms. Roll the wrists and bend the knees. Tick-tock the legs side to side. Help yourself to get up, but do not touch cold water right away because the hands are super warm or even inflated when you just finished Zhan Zhuang or Tang Zhuang. Friends, I hope you find today's practice is helpful. I truly hope you take up this practice of Zhan Zhuang or Zuo Zhuang, Tang Zhuang. It is a wonderful form of medicine you can apply for your own health. Start with 5 minutes, maybe add a minute or so each day. A wonderful rewards waits for those who persist and progress. Let's stay healthy together.